जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्य योगमु 25th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, those who worship Indra and all other devatas, they attain those devatas. Those who worship Pitru devatas, they attain Pitru devatas. And those who worship Yaksha, Rakshasa and all those bhutas, they attain those bhutas. And also Arjuna, those who worship me, they attain me." Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma making it very clear that those who worship him, they will attain him and they will enjoy the eternal bliss just like Sri Krishna Paramatma, and they will never come back into this birth and death cycle, and they will have no destruction at all, just like Sri Krishna Paramatma. And also Krishna Paramatma making it very clear, other than Krishna Paramatma, other than Srimannarayana, those who worship other devatas, they will attain those devatas, and just like them, they will enjoy very limited pleasures. And as and how those devatas are coming back and falling into the cycle of birth and death, also these devotees of those devatas will be back into this cycle of birth and death. Like this, Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to get rid of the cycle of birth and death forever. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yanti deva vratan devan pitrun yanti pitruvrataha bhutani yanti bhutejyaha yanti madhyajinopi mam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotees, and also I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you asked, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you asked, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः. तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्म, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, all Rishis and Munis praying Varahaswami, saying that, O Dharanidhara, you have uplifted this Bhumi Devi. This Bhumi Devi is filled up with so many great mountains, and having all those mountains and this Bhumi Devi being on your tusks, it is looking so beautiful. Matam Gajendrasya Sapatra Padmini. It is looking like as and how if an elephant takes one beautiful flower, lotus, and holding with trunk. That is how you are also looking so beautiful while holding this Bhumi Devi. O Devadideva, this Bhumi is your spouse, your wife. Maaku Visvamunaku Neevu Janakudavaguta Ishmat Patni Bhudevi Aguta Maakunu Talli Ayyan Ipudu. O Deva, you are the father of this entire universe. You are the protector of this entire universe. Now, because this Bhumi Devi is your wife, Bhumi Devi became mother to each and every one of us now. O Devadideva, that is why Dharakuni Toda Guda Vandana Monarthum. We are doing Namaskaram to both of you, Bhumi Devi and Paramatma. Hey Bhagavan, this Bhumi was stuck to Rasatalam. There is no one other than you who can uplift this Bhumi Devi. O Paramatma, all of your divine activities, all of your miraculous activities, all of your divine attributes, divine qualities, they are unlimited, and only with your Sankalpa Shakti you can do anything. O Varahaswami, though we all belong to great worlds like Janaloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka, though we all belong to such a sacred worlds, still we are getting purified by the water which is sprinkled by you by shaking your Divyamangala Vigraham in the form of Varahaswami. Pavitaha, we are all getting purified by that water, by that sprinklings which are coming out of the hair of Varahaswami. O Paramatma, if anyone on this earth, in this entire universe, trying to count, trying to measure, your qualities, your divine activities, they are definitely considered as fool, because your Kalyana Gunas and your divine activities are unlimited and uncountable. O Srimannarayana, please shower your grace, Karuna, Anugraham on each and every one of us. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma, all the Rishis and Munis praying Varaha Swami. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 25th sloka. Yanti devavrata devan pitrun yanti pitruvrataha bhutani yanti bhutejyaha yanti madhyajinopi mam. Yanti devavrata devan pitrun yanti pitruvrataha bhutani yanti bhutejyaha yanti madhyajinopi mam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.